Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shaki and I do lifestyle vlogs. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, today, as you see, it's the first day of Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas, guys. Welcome. It's time. So yes, it is time. It's Vlogmas again. It's Vlogmas 2025. Yeah. So today's not necessarily a vlog. I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas a bit different, well, as I normally do. But yeah, I've seen over the years that the day-to-day something not gonna work for me. So what I plan to do this year, I normally upload like once a week. However, for Vlogmas, I'm gonna be doing a twice a week upload. So on Thursdays at 12 and then on Sundays at 11, I'll be uploading my Vlogmas videos. Fingers crossed I get through this year, because I don't know why, for some reason something always happen. So I don't know, something always just happen. Is either like go away internet. Well, there's no internet right now, but at least I have my phone and my phone have this service on it, so we're gonna use the phone to get the service up and whatever. But yeah, we're gonna try. I already have the video for Thursday to edit, because what I do, I vlogged weekend gone, so that will be putting up on Thursday, so that is already on its way. And then the vlog for Sunday, I'm starting today, so week in my life and all of that. But yeah, but you just want come on telling about Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas in Jamaica. And then why I'm so motivated to kind of do Vlogmas this year, we just went through a devastating hurricane, and even though my place or my house was not destroyed, a lot of persons were destroyed. And a lot of persons are saying Christmas is a no-no in Jamaica, and I love Christmas, and Vlogmas is a part of my Christmas. And if I don't do Vlogmas, I'm not gonna feel the same, right? I've been doing this for like probably about 6 or 5 years, the Vlogmas business, and just to stop right now, it not gonna feel the same. Like Christmas not gonna feel the same to me. It's just a part of me right now. So I wanted to have some kind of normalcy. So yeah, I know a lot of people say them not do Christmas this year, but I want to spread some joy somewhere to somebody, that may not be feeling it right now, and just to keep my mind sane and to, keep myself all prepped up, because I love December, I love Christmas, so I just have to spread the joy that I have. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for Vlogmas. As I said, be tuned in for Thursday at 12 and then on Sundays at 11. So yeah, I upload at 11, but you have to watch the video at 11 o'clock. Can't watch it when I come from church. You should go to church before you should go to church. So yes, I go to church, but I always set it to upload from like the Saturday. Well, I want to set it to upload from the Saturday. Or yeah. So yes, that's that. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys the intro and the outro that I created. So without further ado, this is gonna be a very, very, very short vlog. So without further ado, let's get into my intro and outro. It's time. Music.
Yourself. I'm married with a Christmas night.
Alright guys, so that was the intro, the outro. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about it. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you guys think of the intro and the outro? Let me know down in the comments down below. Also, for Vlogmas, I think I want to do like Christmas questions for the day. So I will give you guys a question, and then you comment the answers in the comments down below, and then I will read your comments in the next video. So in the video to come, mega read no comments. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, the question for today is going to be, when do you officially start decorating for Christmas? Because for me, I officially start decorating after me done clean up. So if me not clean, and Jamaica is kind of different from like other countries like America and such. So let me know in the comments down below, when do you normally start decorating for Christmas? So once me normally finish clean, and that depends, cause like now me just start when I don't clean, so but I decorate for now. But I try to decorate before December 24. Before, not on the day, before. But let me know in the comments down below, when do you officially start decorating for Christmas? Let me know. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, today wasn't a vlog. Today was just to introduce the intro and introduce to you guys what I'm gonna be doing for Vlogmas and such. And then, you know, on Thursday you guys will officially start getting the Vlogmas videos. So love you guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.
Yourself a merry little Christmas.